Now, we do know that Sushant Singh Rajput's case, investigations there only getting intense while the probe agencies continue to investigate the death. The spotlight now remains on the late actor's 4 sisters who've relentlessly fought for justice. In this report, we're going to tell you about the sisters who are Sushant's support system, as they call themselves.
And this is Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
My brother has become Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
4 sisters who were dear to their bhai, laughing with their beloved Sushant, celebrating his success. The sibling rivalry quickly turned into a determined fight to justice in Sushant's death, joining force for a CBI investigation. And against the one they see as a villain in their brother's life. The Rajput sisters were once Sushant's support system. Neetu Singh, or Rani, is the eldest of Sushant's sisters. In a Facebook post, the actor had called Neetu his second mother. Her husband O.P. Singh is an ADG in Haryana and Special Officer to Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. In fact, India Today had accessed an old photograph of Sushant Singh Rajput having lunch with his eldest sister and brother-in-law in happier times earlier this year. Neetu Singh, whom Sushant fondly called Ruby Di, was the first to reach his residence when the actor was found hanging. Neetu had shared a video from Sushant's last birthday on January 21st, where he was seen driving a car to Panchkula and later singing a devotional song. Next is Priyanka, whom Sushant was closest to. Priyanka and her husband are lawyers practicing in Delhi. India Today had accessed a video of Priyanka threatening a former staffer who was accused of financial irregularities.
पैसे ट्रांसफर हुए? नाम बोलो। पैसे ट्रांसफर हुए? आज पैसे ट्रांसफर हुए पंकज को, जिसको हमने निकाला था।
तुझे अंदाजा भी नहीं जो मैं कर सकता हूँ।
एक बॉलीवुड स्टार के घर में तू आके ये सोच रहा है।
नहीं,
सुप्रीम कोर्ट लॉयर के सामने तू ये सोच रहा है और तू कह रहा है।
नहीं,
क्या बोल रहा है तू? अपने बोल क्या?
Riya had alleged that Priyanka had even groped her in sleep in an inebriated state after a party.
उनकी बहन और मेरे साथ एक हादसा हुआ जो उन्होंने काफी शराब पी के मुझे इनअप्रोप्रिएटली गलत जगहों पे छूने की कोशिश की और
प्रियंका जो है
प्रियंका जी ने। और अगले दिन मैंने सुशांत को अगले दिन मेरा शूट था, मैं चेन्नई गई थी अपनी फिल्म के मुहूर्त के लिए। मैंने सुशांत को फोन पे बताया कि उसने बोला तुम क्यों चली गई रात को, आधी रात को। मैंने बोला ऐसा ऐसा हुआ मेरे साथ।
Sushant's 4th sister, Shweta Singh Kirti, is the most active and vocal on social media. Right from sharing cherished moments with her brother to attacking Riya Chakrabarti directly, Shweta has been most vocal. In fact, Shweta released snapshots of Riya's WhatsApp chats with alleged drug dealers. It has been a long and riveting fight for the 4 Rajput sisters. Will their persistence uncover the truth? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.